Welcome to a quick guide on finding emails older than a month in Gmail, updated for 2026. If your inbox is overflowing or you're trying to reconnect with old conversations, this method helps you zero in on those older messages so you can archive, delete, or revisit them with ease. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the accounts you want to search. From any inbox view, you'll see the search field at the top. Tap that field to activate it and prepare for your targeted search. Next, look for the date options to refine your results. Tap date just below the search bar. This opens a small menu of timeframes you can choose from. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled older than a month. Selecting this sets your search to pull up emails that are more than 30 days old, with the older than a month filter applied. Your results will instantly update to show emails that meet the criterion. You'll notice older conversations from years past alongside more recently older messages, depending on how you've organized your mail. If you want to broaden or narrow your findings, you can adjust the date filter again or combine it with other search terms in the field, such as specific senders or keywords to target what you are looking for. If you want to take different actions, once you've found these emails, you can select multiple messages by tapping the circle next to each one. From there, you can archive, delete, star, or move them to a specific label. Archiving is a good option if you want to keep the messages without cluttering your primary inbox, while deleting helps you reclaim space. A quick tip: you can repeat this process anytime to monitor how your older emails accumulate. For ongoing organization, set up filters or labels so that future emails automatically get sorted, making older messages easier to manage without extra steps. That's all there is to locating emails older than a month in Gmail's mobile app. With a few taps, you can declutter, recover important threads, or simply keep your digital archives tidy. If and found this helpful, you'll likely use it again as your inbox evolves.